What if I told you that the $65,000 contract you are about to sign at a high-end dealership is actually a financial death warrant for your bank account? A machine cold-bloodedly engineered with planned obsolescence designed to trigger a total mechanical collapse the moment your last warranty document expires. Imagine the scenario. You were ready to finance a premium SUV, fully convinced by the marketing heritage and the glossy brochures, only to realize that you have just bought a high-interest debt trap that will lose 40% of its value before you even finish the first year of payments. Welcome back to EonDrive, the only channel that stops the clock on the dealership hype and looks directly at the software architecture and metallurgical blueprints to reveal the cold, hard math of financial survival. Today, we are identifying the two massive money pits you must avoid at all costs and the three technical masterpieces that will protect your wealth for the next decade. Car number one on our list of financial shame is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, a vehicle that masquerades as a premium adventurer but is actually a ticking bomb of software instability and mechanical fatigue. Its exterior utilizes a deceptive premium aesthetic with its iconic 7-slot waterfall grille and high beltline silhouette, yet deep within the chassis is a steering rack assembly prone to high-latency electronic failures, where the power assistance completely evaporates at highway speeds, effectively turning the steering column into a lead weight and the vehicle into an unguided missile. Stepping inside the cabin, the Uconnect 5 infotainment system functions as a digital parasite, suffering from vampire parasitic drains within the body control module that can flatten the battery in less than 48 hours of sitting idle. And the 4xe hybrid variants are even more dangerous, frequently exhibiting severe binding in the electronic transfer cases and high-pressure oil cooler leaks that have resulted in documented thermal events and full-scale recalls. When you consider the average list price of $48,000 against a depreciation curve that swallows $15,000 in equity the moment you drive home, the Grand Cherokee is a trap you cannot afford to spring.
Car number two is the Land Rover Range Rover, a vehicle that represents the absolute peak of the prestige tax and stands as the undisputed king of global depreciation. While the monolithic exterior is a masterclass in minimalist aluminum sculpting with flush-mounted door handles and a drag coefficient of 0.30, the mechanical reality is a nightmare of over-engineered complexity, featuring an interconnected air suspension system with 4 independent height sensors and an electronic air compressor that is almost guaranteed to fail the moment the temperature drops below freezing. The Touch Pro Duo interior architecture is a digital minefield of haptic feedback loops that frequently brick the entire dashboard, leaving the driver without climate control or navigation. And the twin-turbocharged V8 engine produces enough internal heat soak to degrade the low-grade plastic cooling connectors, leading to catastrophic engine seizure just after the 50,000-mile mark. Factor in the specialized 23-inch high-performance tires that cost $2,000 a set and a resale value that craters by 50% in just 36 months, and you realize that owning a Range Rover is effectively a voluntary donation to a luxury repair shop.
But you can protect your financial future by choosing car number 3, the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid, which is the technical antithesis of our first two losers. Built on the ultra-rigid TNGA-K global platform, with a structure composed of over 78% high-strength boron steel, it offers a level of torsional rigidity that technically humiliates European luxury brands, while providing a massive interior sanctuary featuring a high-mounted 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia system, driven by a 7-nanometer processor for zero-lag interaction and seamless over-the-air updates. The 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle hybrid powertrain utilizes a sophisticated dual-motor planetary gear transaxle to achieve an incredible 34 miles per gallon in a total range of over 500 miles, allowing you to bypass the gas station and the repair shop simultaneously for a price point starting at just $46,000, ensuring your money stays in your investment account rather than being wasted on premium fuel and specialized mechanical labor.
Car number 4 is the legendary Honda Civic, the ultimate wealth-building asset that utilizes a laser-brazed roof structure and an aerodynamic exterior profile to maximize every drop of fuel. The interior is a masterpiece of human-machine interface design, featuring a signature honeycomb metal dashboard that discreetly hides the air vents and physical tactile knobs for the climate system to reduce driver distraction during high-speed travel. Under the hood, the 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine is engineered for a 300,000-mile duty cycle with minimal maintenance, resulting in a documented annual ownership cost of just $2,058, a figure that is mathematically superior to any SUV or truck currently on sale in 2026. By choosing the Civic, you are buying a metallurgical masterpiece that refuses to depreciate like a luxury car, allowing you to keep it until the wheels fall off, while the rest of the world remains trapped in the endless cycle of monthly lease payments for vehicles that offer half the actual reliability. Finally, car number 5 is the Lexus RX, the gold standard of high resale luxury that utilizes a spindle-body exterior design with triple-beam LED eyes that actively scan for hazards while riding on a high-frequency vibration-canceling suspension system. The cabin is a Takumi-crafted lounge featuring semi-aniline leather and genuine wood trim that will remain rattle-free for 15 years, while the 4th-generation high-efficiency hybrid system provides a silent city driving experience and instantaneous electric torque that legacy German rivals simply cannot match. At a price point starting near $50,000, you are buying an appreciating mechanical asset that will still be worth 60% of its value when the Jeeps and Land Rovers on this list are sitting in a scrapyard waiting for back-ordered parts. If you believe that a car should be a tool that serves your bank account rather than a debt that drains it, then stop chasing the fake status of legacy logos and start following the engineering blueprints. Stick with EonDrive as we continue to expose the technical secrets and global power shifts defining your next car. Because in the 2026 market, the only thing more expensive than a bad car is staying loyal to a brand that is overcharging you for a name you can no longer afford to defend.